All right, so you're trying to get that perfect lighting for your TikToks, YouTube videos, or even just looking good on a Zoom call in 2026. You know the struggle. Bad lighting can ruin everything. I've rounded up the top 5 ring lights that are absolutely crushing it right now.
Before started, if you are new here, hit subscribe and press bell icon and never miss any updates.
Let's dive in. First up, we have the 10.2 magnetic ring light with a 64 torr tripod. This thing is a game changer if you're an iPhone MagSafe user. It snaps right on, super secure, and the built-in 5000 mAh battery means you're not tethered to an outlet. Plus, that 64-inch tripod gives you serious height. If you're constantly on the go and need quick, reliable lighting for your iPhone, this is your pick. Next, for a more traditional, versatile setup, check out the UBeesize 12E LED ring light with its 62's tripod stand. What sets this apart is the sheer customization, 10 brightness levels and 5 color temperatures so you can dial in exactly the mood you want. And that tripod, it cleverly converts into a selfie stick, making it super adaptable for everything from a full studio setup to a quick handheld shot. This is fantastic for anyone needing a comprehensive kit that can do it all. Now, if you're serious about your content and space isn't an issue, the MACTREM 22 Foldable ring light is a beast. This isn't just a ring light, it's a mobile studio. The 22-inch size means incredible, even lighting. And those 360-degree rotatable casters? Genius. You can literally roll your entire lighting setup around your space with ease. Plus, it has an LED display for precise control and even 2 USB ports to keep your phone charged during long streams. This is definitely for the pro content creator, makeup artist, or barber who needs maximum light and mobility. For something a little more minimalist but still incredibly effective, the ULANZI M10 magnetic selfie light is brilliant. This little guy is all about portability and precision. It's got a flexible gooseneck so you can literally bend the light exactly where you need it, and it offers 5 distinct color temperatures and brightness levels. It snaps right onto your phone, laptop, or tablet. If you travel a lot or just need a compact, highly adjustable fill light for quick videos or calls, this is perfect. And finally, another strong contender from ULANZI, the LM19 magnetic selfie light. While it also snaps on magnetically like the M10, the LM19 really stands out with its super high CRI 95 plus rating, meaning colors look incredibly accurate and vibrant on camera. It's got a fantastic range of color temperatures, from warm 2500K all the way up to a crisp 8500K. This is ideal for anyone who prioritizes color accuracy and wants that professional, true-to-life look for their selfies, makeup tutorials, or vlogs. There you have it, my top picks for the best ring lights in 2026. Each one brings something unique to the table. You can find links to all of them down in the description below. Go grab the one that fits your needs and light up your content.